Welcome to the Assistive Technology and Universal Design for Learning Loan Library. We believe in the power of technology to help all students achieve high academic standards. As part of the Florida's MTSS projects, the online resource library is designed to help districts and schools implement a universal, differentiated core curriculum based on the Florida best standards. The assistive technologies available in this library can be used to identify which technologies will best support students with disabilities to participate and progress in this core curriculum. The Universal Design for Learning technologies can be used to identify effective instructional pedagogies that support highly effective learning environments. Accounts are only available to individuals approved by district ESE directors and staff members of the Bureau of Exceptional Student Education discretionary projects. The Assistive Technology and Universal Design for Learning Loan Library tutorial series will take part in 6 episodes. Episode 1, First Time Logging In and Overview. 2, Making an Order. 3, Comparing Items. 4, Writing a Product Review. 5, Unpacking an Order. 6, Packing an Order for Return. Episode 3, Comparing Items. Once you have typed in the URL www.at-udl.net, this takes you to the storefront or the Loan Library homepage. For this trial, I'm looking for a static communication device. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Categories, go to Communication and More, click AAC with Static Display. Now I'm going to scroll down and look at the different variety of AAC with Static Display options there are available. A Logan Prox Talker with Binder. I want to compare that item, so I'll click the double arrow symbol and that will add it to the Compare This Product Item section. It automatically scrolls back up to the beginning of the page. Now I'm going to look at the 7-level communication builder and compare that as well. So I'll click the double arrow again. I will scroll down again. Go Talk 9. I'm going to compare that item. I'm going to look for one more item. And I'm going to compare the Quick Talker 12. So here you can see where it says Product Compare, and there's 4. Those are the 4 items I put into the Compare section. So I'll click on it. And the 4 items that I put in are now available for me to do a product comparison. So I have the Logan Prox Talker with Binder, the 7-level communication builder, the GoTalk 9 Plus Light Touch, and the Quick Talker 12. So let me scroll down a little bit so I can see everything at once. So I can see the product, the image of the product, the model, the brand, how many are available, the product rating, if any, the summary of the product, the weight, and the dimensions. So by looking at this real quick, I can see that the second item, the 7-level communication builder, does have a product review. There are 2 reviews actually, and it's been rated 4 out of 5 stars. The other items don't have a rating. The next video will show how to do a product review. This way, when the next person comes to look at a product, they can see what the ratings were given by other borrowers. So the first thing I'm going to do on this product comparison is look at the weight, because I know I don't want to have something too heavy for the student to use. So if I look across the weight section, 4.8 pounds, 2.5 pounds, 20 ounces, and 1.8 pounds. Okay, so I know right away I'm going to take off the Logan Prox Talker because it is too heavy. So I'm just going to click Remove from the list. And now I'm just going to be comparing the remaining 3 items. So I have a 7-level communication builder, so I can look at the summary and see what it says. The 7-level communication builder is a static display device with digitized recorded speech. It allows the ability to record and play back 1, 2, 4, 8, or 16 different messages. So if I look at the image, I can see there are different grids that the student would have to remove and replace. The next item is the GoTalk 9 Light Touch. So that one tells me the GoTalk 9 Plus Light Touch has a 45 message capacity, 9 message keys, each with 1 and 343 by 2, 1 by 43, and 5 recording levels with 9 minutes of recording time, plus 3 core messages. The next one, the QuickTalker 12 communication device, is a feature-durable go-anywhere construction with a built-in handle and built-in symbol storage. It consists of 5 levels with 12 message location. Okay, so I can see the 7-level communication builder. A student would have to change the communication symbols as well as the grids. So I think that's a little bit too complicated for this student. So I'm going to remove it. That leaves me with 2 items now, the GoTalk 9 plus Light Touch or the QuickTalker 12. I could check out both, but looking at the product comparison of these 2 items, I can see the GoTalk 9 has a capacity of 45 messages, but the QuickTalker has a capacity of 60 because it has 5 levels with 12 message location. So I'm going to choose the QuickTalker 12 because it has more message capabilities in that one device. So I'm just going to add it to the cart. And now I see that the item is in a cart, so I can go ahead and check out this item. Thank you for attending episode 3, Comparing Items, and we look forward to seeing you at a future episode.